Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noor and I'm a certified holistic women's health coach. Today's video is going to be about natural ways to treat insulin resistance. I have been diagnosed with PCOS and insulin resistance as my root cause. I have learned a lot about insulin resistance and will share with you today the most effective ways to treat it naturally. First of all, what is insulin resistance? It is when cells in your body, your muscles, your liver, and fat cells do not respond well to insulin and cannot take up the glucose in your blood. As a result, your pancreas will create even more insulin to help get the glucose inside your cells, and in the process, you end up with high levels of insulin and blood glucose. If left unmanaged, insulin resistance can lead to PCOS and some severe health conditions like diabetes and heart conditions. It is important to note that you don't necessarily need to have PCOS in order to suffer from insulin resistance. You can have insulin resistance without a full-blown PCOS diagnosis, and actually, according to some research, insulin resistance is one of the most common causes of hormonal imbalance. Now let's dive into all the things we can do to treat insulin resistance naturally. First of all, it's really important to eat regularly, every 3 to 4 hours, with balanced meals that have a good ratio of protein, fats, and complex carbs. This will allow for your blood sugar to remain stable and avoid a blood sugar roller coaster. Carbs are usually quite controversial when it comes to insulin resistance. I personally believe it's a very important source of energy to the body, so I would not advise to eliminate it, but I always advise to pair it well with protein and carbs in every single meal to keep your blood sugar level nice and balanced. Number 2 is to avoid all processed foods, sugar, and simple carbs. Exercise can be very beneficial, especially slow cardio workouts like resistance training, walking outdoors, yoga. These are great workouts that will increase your muscle mass and therefore make you more insulin sensitive. Number 4 is to reduce stress. Stress affects your body's ability to regulate blood sugar, so it's really important to know how to de-stress. Meditation can be a very powerful tool to help you beat insulin resistance. Number 5, try adding cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and garlic into your daily diet, as they have been found to increase insulin sensitivity. Number 6, consider taking a vitamin D supplement. Most people suffering with insulin resistance have been shown to actually be deficient in vitamin D. Magnesium can also be very helpful. It works on the insulin receptors to make them store glucose more efficiently. It also has great added benefit of relaxing your body and improving anxiety and PMS symptoms. Inositol is also a great supplement to take as it reduces your body's sensitivity to insulin. Most importantly, please commit to your diet and lifestyle changes for some time. Insulin resistance can take a few months to get reversed naturally, so please don't give up early. Keep at it and you will see changes and improvements with time. If you are suffering from insulin resistance and hormonal imbalance and you want some personal advice tailored to your own body, please click the link in the description box below to schedule a call with me. Our first 20-minute consultation is free of charge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos about everything related to women's health. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.